Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to order decimals from greatest to least. I already did a video from least to greatest, but I thought why not also do a video from greatest to least to get you guys understanding it good. So we're gonna order these decimals right here, and we have 3 steps to do this. We have to line up the decimals below each other while lining up the decimal points. We have to place placeholder zeros, and then we compare from left to right. So let's start off with lining them up below each other. So we just line them up from left to right, but below each other. So, oh, my bad, guys. 2.972. 2.6. As you can see, I'm lining the decimal up. After that, 1.51. 2.99 and 1.6. So you can see the decimals are lined up below each other, but it looks kind of weird. This one is 3 after the decimal, this 1, 2, 2, and 1. What you can do if you got this, to make it look a bit easier, you can just place the placeholder zeros. My bad, guys. 0, 0. So now they're both in the thousands. So let's put this in the thousands, this also, and this also. Now remember, zeros to the right of the decimal don't change the value of the number. So these are still the same numbers, but with a couple of zeros to make it look easier. So now we start comparing. From greatest to least, we have to compare. So we look to the numbers. We can see we have 3 numbers starting with 2. So, and 2 with 1. Let's mark them up. These are with the 2 at the beginning, so these 3 have to be greater than these 2. Let's put a triangle for these 2. So, now, because we're going from greatest to least, we're going to start with the greatest number. So, the number starting with 2. And now we're just going to compare from left to right. So let's start by comparing these two. Now let's start by comparing these, the first one, and the 1, 2, 3, fourth one. Because as you can see, they both have a 2 and then a 9. So these two you can compare pretty easy together. So let's start. They both have a 2. You can see the decimals lined up. Then on to the next number, 9. This one also has a 9. And then this one is a 7, but this one is a 9. So now we know this one is larger than this one. So this one currently is the largest of them all. And that's this one right here. So 2.99. Now we're gonna compare these two. You can cross this one off if you'd like. Now we're gonna compare these two. They both have a 2, which is the same. Then after the decimal, this one is a 9 and this one is a 6. So we know this one is larger than this one. So we put this one after this one. 2.972. Oh yeah, and if you guys saw, I I wrote 2.99 right here, but here it says 2.990. That's because we were given this without the 0, so you have to write it like this also. So we have done this one, and we have done this one. So you can also cross this one out. So now we only have one number left starting with 2, so you can just put that one next to it. And that one is 2.6, as you can see here. So we can cross this out also. Now I'm just gonna move it really quick, so we have a bit more space. Now you can see we have two numbers left, and these two are very simple. So they both have a 1, 1, and 1. We line the decimal up. We have a 5 and then a 6. So we can already see this one is larger. So you put this one next. 1.6, as you can see right here. We can cross this off. And now we just put the last one, which is 1.51. Cross it off. And this will be your final answer. So this was the video on ordering decimals from greatest to least. We also have a video from least to greatest if you guys want to look at that one also. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can always leave a question in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video.